The 2026 Chevrolet Corvette C6 stands as a bold bridge between heritage and modern performance, a machine that reminds the world why the Corvette name has never faded from automotive legend. From the moment you see it, this car speaks the language of American muscle refined by decades of racing DNA and engineering evolution. The long hood, wide stance, and unmistakable Corvette proportions instantly bring back memories of the golden era, yet every surface feels sharpened, cleaner, and more purposeful. This isn't just a revival of a nameplate. It's a statement that the soul of the C6 lives on, now reborn for a new generation of drivers who crave authenticity blended with modern power. Walking around the 2026 Corvette C6, the design feels both familiar and fresh. The low-slung body hugs the road, with sculpted lines flowing effortlessly from front to rear. The front fascia carries an aggressive confidence, with sharper headlights and a more pronounced grille that channels air efficiently while maintaining that classic Corvette face. The side profile highlights muscular fenders that house wider wheels, hinting at the serious performance capabilities beneath. Around the back, quad exhaust tips and sleek taillights complete a look that's instantly recognizable yet undeniably modern. It's a design that respects the past while refusing to feel outdated. Step inside, and the cabin immediately tells you this Corvette was built for drivers. The cockpit wraps around you, putting every control exactly where it should be. High-quality materials replace the older plastics of past generations, with soft-touch surfaces, premium leather, and carbon fiber accents creating a balance between luxury and sport. The seats are deeply bolstered, designed to hold you firmly during aggressive driving while remaining comfortable enough for long journeys. This interior doesn't try to be flashy for the sake of it. Instead, it focuses on functionality, comfort, and that unmistakable feeling of being connected to the car. Technology plays a major role in the 2026 Corvette C6, but it never overshadows the driving experience. A fully digital instrument cluster provides crisp, customizable information, from performance data to navigation and driver assistance features. The central infotainment screen is responsive and intuitive, offering smartphone integration, advanced audio options, and real-time performance monitoring. Everything feels thoughtfully integrated, ensuring that modern convenience enhances rather than distracts from the thrill of driving. Under the hood is where the Corvette C6 truly reminds everyone why it's an icon. Chevrolet engineers have refined the powertrain to deliver thrilling performance while meeting modern efficiency and emissions standards. The naturally aspirated V8 remains at the heart of the experience, delivering a raw, spine-tingling sound that no turbocharged setup can truly replicate. Power delivery is immediate and linear, pushing you back into your seat the moment you touch the throttle. Acceleration is fierce, yet controllable, making every drive feel like an event. The transmission options cater to both purists and modern performance enthusiasts. A refined manual gearbox offers that classic, mechanical connection between driver and machine, while an advanced automatic provides lightning-fast shifts for those who prioritize speed and convenience. No matter which option you choose, the driving experience remains engaging and visceral, exactly what Corvette fans expect. Handling is another area where the 2026 Corvette C6 shines. The chassis has been meticulously tuned to balance agility and stability, allowing the car to feel planted at high speeds while remaining responsive through tight corners. Advanced suspension systems adapt to different driving conditions, offering comfort during daily driving and stiffness when performance demands it. Steering feedback is precise and communicative, giving drivers confidence whether cruising on the highway or pushing hard on a winding road. Braking performance is equally impressive, with high-performance brakes providing strong, consistent stopping power. Whether you're driving spiritedly on a back road or enjoying a track day, the Corvette C6 delivers confidence-inspiring control. This is a car that doesn't just go fast in a straight line. It's built to perform as a complete package. What truly sets the 2026 Corvette C6 apart is how it blends raw performance with everyday usability. Despite its supercar-level capabilities, it remains surprisingly practical. The cabin offers enough space for comfortable daily driving, while the storage areas provide room for weekend trips. Chevrolet has clearly focused on making this a car that owners can enjoy regularly, not just admire from a distance. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. Modern driver assistance systems work quietly in the background, offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and advanced traction systems. These technologies add an extra layer of confidence without taking away from the pure driving feel that Corvette fans love. It's a thoughtful balance between tradition and innovation. The sound of the 2026 Corvette C6 deserves special mention. The exhaust note is deep, aggressive, and unmistakably American. At idle, it rumbles with authority, and under hard acceleration, it unleashes a roar that sends chills down your spine. It's the kind of sound that turns heads and makes every drive memorable, a reminder that some experiences can't be replicated by electric motors or synthetic noise. On the road, the Corvette C6 feels alive. Every input from the driver is met with an immediate response, creating a sense of unity between man and machine. The car encourages spirited driving while remaining forgiving enough for less experienced drivers. It's this balance that has always made the Corvette special, and the 2026 model continues the tradition beautifully. For enthusiasts, the 2026 Corvette C6 represents more than just a car. It's a celebration of American automotive heritage. It honors the legacy of previous generations while proving that classic values like performance, style, and driver engagement still matter in a rapidly changing automotive world. Chevrolet hasn't tried to reinvent the Corvette's identity. Instead, they've refined it, ensuring it remains relevant without losing its soul. The value proposition is another area where the Corvette C6 excels. When compared to European rivals offering similar performance, the Corvette continues to deliver exceptional value. You're getting supercar-level speed, handling, and presence at a price that feels grounded and realistic. This has always been a key part of the Corvette's appeal, and the 2026 model proudly carries that torch forward. Living with the Corvette C6 is an experience filled with small moments of joy. From the way the engine fires up with a satisfying growl to the way the car settles into a confident cruise on the highway, every drive feels special. It's the kind of car that makes you look back at it after parking, a sign that the design and presence have truly made an impact. In a world where many performance cars are moving toward electrification and digital abstraction, the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette C6 feels refreshingly honest. It doesn't rely on gimmicks or artificial enhancements. Instead, it delivers performance the way it always has, through engineering, passion, and a deep respect for driving enthusiasts. As the road stretches out ahead, the Corvette C6 reminds you why cars like this matter. They represent freedom, excitement, and the joy of pushing limits. Chevrolet has managed to capture that spirit once again, creating a car that feels timeless yet thoroughly modern. This is a Corvette that respects its roots while embracing the future, a machine that proudly carries the legacy forward. The 2026 Chevrolet Corvette C6 isn't just another sports car, it's a statement of intent. It proves that American performance still has a powerful voice in the automotive world, and that the Corvette name continues to stand for excitement, innovation, and unmistakable style. For anyone who believes driving should be an experience rather than just transportation, this Corvette delivers in every possible way.